Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I wanted to give you an update on my mini bike. I have finished up some other projects now that I can kind of focus a little more attention on this. I'm going to take this cover and make a clutch cover out of it. It is a lid from a toolbox off of Harley. I'm just using the lid part. The other side is what mounts to the bike, but I'm going to take this and put it over this clutch. I'm going to try to create some brackets that I'll use to mount it on using these 3 bolts on the cover for the crankcase. I wrapped my exhaust in this header wrap. It doesn't look too good. I might have to redo it. That's my first time ever doing that. Here's a look at the seat pan I got some help with. I didn't make this. A buddy of mine helped me with this, welded it on the frame for me, and put it together. So I'm going to cut the baseboard for it and try to make my own seat. The shocks mount to it. It works pretty good. These shocks are just from Go Power Sports, the 12-inch shocks. They serve the purpose. They hold the seat. So the chain wheel and wheels need some refinishing or something. They've got a brown tint to them, so I'm going to work on that. I'm going to try to keep track of everything I do to it and get some more videos posted so you guys can follow along. There's another good look at those risers. They came out pretty good. I got this kill switch set up on the handlebars that goes directly to the spark plug. It works really well. But that's pretty much it. I'll try to keep you guys posted of everything I'm doing. Oh yeah, I also powder coated the air cleaner and the fuel tank cream color to match the engine, so it came out pretty good. That's probably the color I'm going to use on everything else that I powder coat, so let's get it cleaned up. All right, now I got it apart. There's the engine. Got everything taken apart. I'm probably going to powder coat these cream, this color right here, to match just this metal bracket right here to match the rest of the bike. I really like how that cream came out. It almost matches the engine. I mean, it's pretty close. I was hoping it would match. This grease coming off the chain, this kind of got it stained, but anyway, I'm going to powder coat this the same color cream as that. I think it'll look good. Besides, the seat's going to be covering this up mostly anyway. I could take that rack out and do it a different color if I wanted to. That handle, I mean. Kickstand will probably also maybe be cream, I guess. Maybe I could do it green. I don't know. The rest of the frame's going to be green, so that'll be cool. The forks, I'll have to take these apart. I think I twist these out. I powder coated these chrome, put a clear over them, but they look kind of a hazy, off chrome, crappy looking color, but I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. I don't care. The wheels, however, I had mentioned on my Instagram. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but I mentioned that I was wanting to redo these. Let me take them outside. I mean, they look pretty good. They were also powder coated chrome, but they also had a little brown tint to them. I'm thinking about just stripping them and either just leaving them raw, I guess like how they were when they traditionally, or I might just go ahead and do them cream just to match the bike, because this is a custom bike. I'm not trying to restore it back to original. It already has stuff on it that's not original, like the brackets here in the back that we welded for the shocks. Those shocks I got from, I think I got those from Go Power Sports. The handlebars, they're not original. Original handlebars are down there somewhere in there. They're pretty tore up. So next thing I'm going to do is just basically start sanding on it with a pad, just to kind of sand it a little bit, just to kind of smooth out some of this rust, some of these rust spots, and then go over it with a Brillo pad. What do you call it? The 3M pads. Clean all the oil and grease off. I'll put it in the oven, bake it real good, and then start to powder coat it.